exciting project. Hey everyone, the purpose of this project is to design an autonomous lawnmower that can mow the lawn by itself. But the first part of the project is first using an RC remote control to control the lawnmower. And this part is already completed. The next part will be to use a code to code it so that it can be able to mow the lawn by itself and be able to remember all its path and go around and do the mowing.
Tells me
And this is the remote control part of it, that we're going to also be using ultrasonic sensors to control the mower. This is most of the switches, 5 volts output, and we're using these 5-volt relays to control the autonomous lawnmower. I would like to mention here that in any project, color code of cable and the size of cable is key. The reason why the size of cable is crucial is because you don't want your cables heating up as a result of too much current going through a small piece of cable. So the wire I'm using is a gauge 16 stranded coil cable. And as you can see, my bunch of blue wires is an indication that I do not have the color codes I would have loved to have. So I'm using heat shrink to indicate the different color codes. I'm also using soldering iron to make sure my wires are soldered together and well connected, and so that I don't have loose connections here and there. And so as you can see, I am also after soldering the wires, I put in heat shrinks on different cables to make sure they're well insulated for safety purposes and no misconnections or short circuits. At this point here, I'm picking up my heat gun so that you can apply it onto the heat strings and just string them down to insulate my wires. At this point, I'm done with necessary connections, just trying to see if we can move, and I'm looking forward to put everything together and put the cover and go outside and do some testing. To start, I have to cut on. That green light tells me it's ready to go, and let me put the remote down. I can move forward, I can move backward, I can just spin it around. I can stop, I can spin it around the other way. I can stop, I can turn on my blade. That red light tells me it's dangerous around there. I can move forward and move backward, forward. I can spin around. Very dangerous with the blade on. Cut off the blade. And I can stop it. At this point, we're about to test drive our autonomous robot for the first time to let it cut the grass while we drive it. We're gonna cut on the blade and we're gonna drive it into the grass. We're gonna cut the grass. See how quiet it is? It's very quiet, guys. It's very quiet. Very, very quiet. I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna cut the grass. like to mention here that the mower motor has some kind of torque sensor that whenever it hits the grass, there is some kind of burst that you can hear the motor sound with the high rotational sound, meaning that whenever it hits the grass, there's a burst that gives it more power to be able to cut the grass. And you can hear that as soon as it hits the grass. And it's a very good design. And as you can see, it's cutting the grass like nothing. At this point, the wheels were not adjusted very low and they were getting stuck in the ground. And so this is after the test, and you can see all the grass in it. At first, I wanted to put these the other way around, but my son suggested it to be put turn around, and the guard is really good. Thank you for watching, and please give me comments, give me ideas, let me know what I would have done better. Thank you so much. Bye bye.